Number 1. 1948 Chevrolet 4100 Stake Truck, $2,700, Tukwila, Washington. This 1948 Chevrolet 4100 1.5-ton stake bed truck is a remarkably complete working classic, with lots of functional upgrades already done. It is powered by the dependable 216 inline-6 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a power takeoff system, making it ideal for farm or utility use. The seller notes it runs well, helped by a 12-volt alternator conversion, newer brake components, kingpins, glass, and modern LED headlights. The stake bed boards and liftgate are all newly redone, and the truck includes 2 extra 720 tires. A clean title, solid tires, and vintage horseless carriage plates make it an appealing budget-priced work truck or restoration base. Number 2. 1975 GMC 2500, $3,900, Vancouver, British Columbia. This 1975 GMC 2500 pickup is a straightforward, driver-quality classic, equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 and an automatic transmission. Showing 100,000 miles, it is currently used as a daily driver and is reported to run and drive very well with all systems functioning. Its clean title, rear-wheel drive layout, and unrestored but usable condition make it an honest working truck from the golden era of General Motors heavy pickups. Number 3. 1966 Dodge D200 Flatbed Project, $2,500, Wikieup, Arizona. A true project truck, this 1966 Dodge D200 has been sitting for over 2 decades and requires complete mechanical attention. It retains its original 318 V8 engine, but the 4-speed manual transmission is disassembled and resting inside the cab. Some rust is present, but the factory-style flatbed with overloads and the original split-rim wheels add charm and authenticity. The odometer has rolled over, and the title is currently missing, though the seller has already started the process toward obtaining a bonded Arizona title. For collectors seeking a vintage Dodge work truck to restore, this is a rare and affordable starting point. Number 4. 1986 Ford F250, $5,000, Sheridan, California. This 1986 Ford F250 long bed 4-wheel drive pickup has received extensive mechanical updates, including new brake lines, a new master cylinder, fresh fuel tanks and hoses, and a rebuilt Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. Cosmetic upgrades include custom wheels with a matching spare. Unfortunately, the large 460 cubic inch V8 engine is seized due to a past mechanic issue, making it a mechanical project despite its clean title and good parts value. For the right buyer, it offers strong potential as a heavy-duty restoration candidate. Number 5. 1988 Dodge Ram D250 project or parts, $2,500, Wikieup, Arizona. This 1988 Dodge D250 3/4-ton pickup is offered as either a project or a well-optioned parts truck. It features a running V8 engine and retains its complete air conditioning system, which is uncommon on many project-grade Dodge trucks of this era. The gas tank is currently loose in the bed, and the truck has a significant dent in the bed. However, it includes a clean Arizona title, making it a suitable foundation for revival or donor components for another first-generation Dodge project. Number 6. 1982 Chevrolet C10 longbed, $4,700, Scappoose, Oregon. This 1982 Chevrolet C10 longbed is a highly preserved and nearly rust-free survivor, equipped with a 250 inline-6 and a 700 R4 automatic transmission. It offers power steering, power brakes, dual factory fuel tanks, a canopy, and both front and rear tow hitches. Modern updates include an aluminum radiator and a newer battery. The previous owner kept the truck for 30 years, maintaining extensive service records. With an exceptionally clean bed, original interior features, and a clean title, it represents one of the better-kept workhorse C10s still on the road. Number 7. 1985 Toyota pickup, $2,700, Flagstaff, Arizona. Powered by Toyota's legendary 2.4-liter 22R engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, this 1985 extended cab pickup shows over 315,000 miles, yet continues to run well. Structurally, the body is solid for its age, though rust appears around the bed seams and tailgate. These mid-1980s Toyota pickups are celebrated for reliability and simplicity, and even in fair condition, they remain desirable as economical classic haulers. Number 8. 1989 Dodge Ram 100 longbed, $6,000, Rapid City, South Dakota. A first-generation Dodge Ram, this 1989 Ram 100 features a 3.18 V8 four-wheel drive and the first year of factory fuel injection for Dodge trucks. It has several new components, including a clutch, battery, batters, tires, and dual exhaust. The interior is noted as very nice, but the paint is poor and needs refinishing. Minor mechanical issues include non-working wipers, inoperative power steering, and a heater that blows cold due to coolant mixture. Despite these needs, the truck runs and steers well and includes a clean title, making it a strong candidate for light restoration. Number 9. 1988 Chevrolet K1500 4x4, $6,000, Lincoln, California. This 1988 Chevrolet K1500 four-wheel drive pickup features a 5.7-liter V8, working air conditioning, new tires, lift kit, and upgraded suspension. The odometer is broken, but the truck runs and drives and holds a clean title. It is currently on non-operational status in California. With numerous new engine bay components and fresh underbody parts, this first-year GMT 400 platform truck offers great potential as a modern classic off-road build. Number 10. 1941 Ford pickup, $27,995, Mission Viejo, California. A fully steel 1941 Ford pickup, this traditional-style semi-project is already running, driving, registered, and insured. Under the hood is a $10,000 Blueprint Engines 383-stroker V8 producing 435 horsepower, paired with a fresh TH350 automatic transmission and an 8-inch Ford rear axle. The truck features a dropped axle front suspension with disc brakes, modern gauges, bucket seats, and new front bumper. Its straight body needs fresh primer, but mechanically it is powerful, modernized, and ready to finish into a custom hot rod shop truck or daily driver. Number 11, 1987 Ford F-150, $7,500, North Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1987 Ford F-150 short bed pickup runs strong and remains a solid driver with its V8 engine and automatic transmission. It has a clean title and is generally in good condition, though it needs a catalytic converter and a functioning fuel selector switch. As the first year of Ford's fuel-injected V8s, these trucks are sought after by enthusiasts looking for reliable, late classic Ford pickups. Number 12, 1984 Chevrolet K20 Custom 4x4, $7,500, Conifer, Colorado. This 1984 Chevrolet K20 Custom 3/4-ton four-wheel drive truck has received extensive mechanical updating. Powered by a 350 small block V8 and a turbo 400 automatic transmission, it features new ignition components, a fresh alternator, and complete fuel system updates including pumps, hoses, sending units, and a recent Edelbrock carburetor. Maintenance includes fluids, window seals, engine mounts, and new exhaust. A 2-inch leveling kit and 33-inch tires enhance stance and capability. With emissions passed and a clean title, this is a well-sorted classic heavy-duty Chevy. Number 13, 1975 Ford F-250, $7,500, Adkins, Texas. This 1975 Ford F-250 Highboy is an authentic four-wheel drive classic equipped with a divorced transfer case, 360 V8, and a granny low 4-speed manual transmission. Owned for more than 20 years and barn-stored, it starts but needs carburetor attention from sitting. The truck retains its original chrome trim and most of its interior, though the radio and speakers are missing. Rust is present mainly on the exterior, but minimal underneath. Recent work includes a new water pump, hoses, spark plugs, wires, and distributor. As a true highboy with desirable driveline features, it is a strong candidate for restoration or preservation.